व्हाट्सअप गाइस, मेरा नाम है रौनक और आज हूँ मैं पेरिस में नाडिया इन्फ्यूजन के साथ, जो आपको टीच करने वाली है डांस हॉल। और मैं आपको ये भी बता देता हूँ कि ये विनर रह चुकी है जस्ट डेब्यू 2017। सो यू थिंक यू कैन डांस ऑस्ट्रेलिया टॉप 20 इन 2014। और ये मस्ट है कि आप इनको फॉलो करो, यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक। ये तीनों प्रोफाइल्स के लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दिए। सो लेट्स बिगिन।
Take it from me now, I star. Well, this is Jazzy B and Apache. So all the masses better watch it, I know say nobody could ever match it. Right for the ladies, no more time for maybes. You want to see it on crazy? Jeene mera dil luttiya, jeene mainu maar suttiya.
Hey everybody, my name is Nadiah NFuZion. As Ronak just introduced me, I'm from Australia, currently based out here in Paris, France. I'm a member of the global collective Dancehall family, as well as the Paris-based female house crew Paradoxal. Today I'm going to introduce to you and share with you one of my main styles that I love so dearly, called dancehall. Dancehall is a dance style and a culture born in the ghettos of Kingston, Jamaica in the late 80s. So dancehall is the lifestyle of the people. It's the music, it's the language, it's the way they walk, it's the way they talk, it's the way they stand, it's what they wear, it's the food that they eat. So the founding father of dancehall, his name is Bogle, and he is actually the creator of many of the early steps of dancehall. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to introduce to you some old school steps of dancehall and make the connection between the old school step as well as what's currently happening now, which are considered the new school steps of dancehall. The third set of steps that we're going to learn is called Footloose by Overmars, and then Global Shooter, created by yours truly, Nadiah NFuZion. All right, so Footloose was created in the 2000s, so it's considered a mid-school step, yeah? So basically you're gonna kick your leg out. 1, 2, yeah? Let your arms float naturally. 1, 2, fall into it. 4, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? From the back, you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's Footloose by Overmars. Global Shooter. It's a little bit longer than that, but you'll see the connection between Footloose and this step. 1, 2, and around, point. Right, left, left, right. Okay, there's this bounce happening and your elbows going up and down at the same time. Yeah, these are gun arms or gun hands. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? From the back, you go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? So now we're going to do 8 counts of Footloose and the whole set of Global Shooter. Yeah? We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope we're good. So there's a little bit of a story behind my step Global Shooter. Although it involves guns, and guns are usually associated with things that are negative and bad and violent, the step was actually created out of positivity. Basically, it was inspired by my move to Paris in chase of my dreams for dance, because I had to leave my family behind, my friends, my comfort zone, you know, make a lot of sacrifices. And basically, Global Shooter is really about shooting for your dreams and going for your goals and shooting for the stars, so to speak, yeah? So when we do this step here, boom, ha, hey, that's your dream over that direction. You're going for it, you're hunting for it, yeah? The second variation, which I haven't shown in this video, actually goes like this. Boom, ta, hey. So once you've finished your first dream and your first goal, you've conquered that really, really well, you go for your second one over here. Pa, pa, pa. And the step starts all over again. Hey, hey. Now you're going for that dream over here. Boom, 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 boom. So basically the motto behind the whole step is never to let anything or anyone stand in your way and just keep reaching for the most high. So in this video, you would have seen two steps done side by side. The reason for that is to see the importance of how the foundation and old school dancehall steps forms the groundwork really of the new school steps today. There's a huge connection between catching the groove, the bounce, the placement of your body in old school that really benefits your new school. So basically, if you want to catch the dancehall groove or get deeper in it, old school is where it's at.
Check it from Nadiah Star. Well, this is Jazzy B and Apache. So all the masses better watch it, cause you know say nobody could ever match it. Why for the ladies, no more time for babies, you want to see what's on crazy?
Jine mera dil luttiya, jine menu maar suttiya, jine mera dil luttiya, jine menu maar suttiya. Lak patla balori ode nैन नैन कन्ने चुम के हुलारे ode लैन लैन गल्ला करदी शहद तो मिठियां jine mera dil luttiya, jine menu maar suttiya, jine mera dil luttiya.
It's a crucial collaboration. Jazzy B, Apache Indian, shit at the control station.